And labor 7 from Haywood Area Recreational District. Justice, Caleb, Desmond, and Jacob. Attention Brian Grass families. If you are on cleanup duty, please report to dogs. Any Drowning Barrel family that is on cleanup duty, wherever you at, report special assignment to help cleanup. Thank you. This is the final announcement for the missing wallet. If you, lost their wallet, please don't pick it up. I'm sure some of you are very surprised to learn that the killer Spider-Man wallet is missing. Spider-Man wallet, exactly, Spider-Man wallet. Just got a few bucks in it, but I'll tell you what. I can go snack with that.